Good morning and happy Saturday. And it is a Sun Valley day here. I wish I was up on the top of Baldy, looking out over the beautiful valley and the great snow. But we're doing this. So it is the beginning of week 4, and week 1 through 3 close today at noon. That's half an hour. So I've left them open longer than I normally do. But so make sure you get in and do this work. Now, if you're new to this, you go to today's view and you see everything you need to do. Just scroll down, and here's week 1 right there. That's all your data files. That is where you will find your data files. So for chapter 2, there's your data files. You have to save them. And for chapter 5, here are your data files. So remember, these are zipped. So you're going to have to unzip them. And you can do that by clicking right there, extract all files. Tell them where you want them to be extracted, and there you go. They're being extracted. Open that, and there they are. So all of the files that you need. So you'll need rock climbing and cheese promotion for sure, and you just manipulate the text the way the book says it, and then you will save it. So you'll go File, Save As, and save them wherever you want. Just make sure you can remember where they are. And then you go back to My IT Lab. You'll go to Course Content. And once you manipulate around, you'll get real comfortable with this. Find where it is. I can't remember which one this is. But you'll put those in the Dropbox. So you go right there. You'll browse for it. And when you find it, just pretend like this is it. Doesn't matter for me. You have to hit add. If you don't hit add, they won't go. So once you hit add, and it sits, let's see if this one will go. Or maybe I'm just frozen. Yeah. But you'll hit add, it'll show right here, and then you'll hit finish and submit for grading, and then I grade them. So don't worry if it says not graded or something like that, because I grade them. So you will. Okay. So most of them are done by now, but not all of them. Now under assignments, you're going to oh, are we not happy here? Under assignments, you'll see right here there are 4. There are 2 case graders and 2 skill-based training. The skill-based training are called production tests. You actually do what it asks you to do. And if you're on campus, this takes a little while to load. If you have a pop-up blocker, you need to take that off on your home computer. Remember, you have to use Internet Explorer. If you're using Firefox or Opera, or I don't even know, maybe Chrome. I haven't tried it in Chrome, but it is proprietary to Internet Explorer. So you need to really pay attention to that. Once they load, you just do what it asks you to do. So it'll say open up Word. You just double click on the Word icon. So those are pretty self-explanatory, and I'm not going to waste your time just sitting here waiting for this to load. So for the other ones, the case graders, they're different. So you're going to click right here, and it will come up and it will look like this. Now you must download the files. So you will get, oh my goodness, you will get this group of files right here every time. So you have to download them. Now if you click on zip, you'll get them all at once, but again, you have to unzip them. If you don't unzip them, you can do all the work you want and nothing counts. So my suggestion is print. If you don't know how to do it or you don't want to, just download them one at a time. So here's the instructions. So save as, make a little folder somewhere, say on your desktop or your Dropbox or wherever you want. And I already have them saved, so I don't have to worry about that. But I would make a new folder and call it Chapter 5. It's helpful if you spell it right. So now I'm going to have this instruction in there. And then I'm going to save this one because that's my main document and go save as. And notice now it'll just go right to the chapter 5 because that's where I was last, and we'll get this one. So you need all 4 of these documents. And for the next case grader, you'll need all the documents that it's telling you to have. So you click save them, perfect, we have them all saved. You can close that. Now you're going to you're going to manipulate the work. So you open up the data file and it tells you what to do, and your document should look like this when you're done. So let me step you through a couple of these. So I'm going to find my instruction sheet first. And here's the instructions. I suggest you print the instructions off because sometimes it's hard to go back and forth. If you have 2 monitors, it's not so hard. If you have more than 2, or if you don't have 2 monitors, back and forth on the same screen, it gets really cumbersome. So it says right here, start Word, download, we've done that. So we're going to open up this document. So I'm going to slide this baby over here, and we're going to open up that document. And it will look like this. And you're just getting a blank document, basically. And it's this one right here. And it will come open. It's going to look like this, college website. Okay. So the first thing then you're going to do is exactly what the instructions tell you. And it says add file name to field of footer. So we're going to go insert footer. We're going to get to this and we're going to go more footer, edit footer right there. And we need to go to quick parts. We need to go to field. We're going to go down here to file name, and we're doing default, so you just leave none and say OK. Presto. You've done the first 2 steps. So we're going to click that because we went out of it, and then it says select the title with the paragraph mark. The paragraph mark is that right there. So we're going to select all this, and you're going to change it to gradient, whatever it says. You click right there, and it's this one. Presto. Now you're done. The next step says click in the blank paragraph, I'm on number 4, and insert the text. And this is the last one I'm going to do for you. So you click right there, you go insert, object, text from file, and I'm going to look for it, and I put it in my Dropbox, in 101, in Spring, chapter 5, and there it is, text. And presto, all the text you need is there. Now, once you do all this, you save it, and you do exactly as it says. You just click save. You don't go save as, you just click save, because now you're going to upload it back to My IT Lab. You go right here, upload completed file. And I know I'm going fast, but it's because I don't have a lot of time. These files are getting too big. So I'm going to look for that document, and I just saved. And it's this one right there. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to say upload. And it'll say wait, wait, wait. And now you have to go down and hit finish, submit and finish. And then you're going to go right there. Return to course content. And it tells me I passed. So let's see how I did, because I could barely have passed. So I'm going to go right here and go view grade. And I actually, yeah, I received 100 because I submitted this one. So if I had submitted just the one that didn't have all the answers, it would tell me what I missed, and then I can go in and fix that. So I'm going to do another video right now and upload that to YouTube as well, so you can see what I mean by finding what you missed and fixing that and uploading again. So this is part 1, and I will do part 2 in just a minute.